New today, we just learned the U.S. will restrict travel starting Monday to several countries in southern Africa. The move comes just after the World Health Organization declared a new strain of COVID-19, a variant of concern, they say. KXAN's Matt Grant spoke with Texas medical experts and has the very latest.
Starting Monday, travelers from South Africa and these surrounding countries will be blocked from entering the U.S. The move will not affect Americans with a negative COVID test.
There's no reason to panic at this point.
Dr. Thomas Giordano is professor of medicine and infectious diseases at Baylor's College of Medicine.
What is it about this variant that is so alarming to many folks?
It has a lot more mutations than previous variants, and some of those mutations are in the spike protein area.
Health experts worry this new variant, named Omicron, may be highly transmissible, more resistant to vaccines, resulting in an increased risk of reinfection.
And unless you completely isolate borders and shut things down in a way that very few people have the gumption to do anymore, I don't think travel restrictions are going to make a big deal.
Well, I think we should assume that it's likely in the U.S. by now.
Dr. Peter Hotez is co-director of the Texas Children's Hospital Center for Vaccine Development.
The Delta variant is by far the most transmissible we've ever seen. It takes a lot to outcompete Delta, so I'm not panicked yet by any means.
At Austin Bergstrom International,
everybody's pretty much over it. But at the same time, it's still there. It's still something to be worried about.
Travelers we spoke with are cautious but not overly concerned.
I think it's always on the back of our mind, but we are trying to be as diligent as we can, still have a life.
If it's real bad and we're concerned about it over here, then they should stop it.
Other countries like Britain and Israel have already implemented similar travel restrictions, citing concerns about how transmissible this new variant is. It's unclear how long these new measures will last. At Austin Bergstrom International, Matt Grant, KXAN News.
The European Union imposed a similar ban on air travel from southern Africa. However, Belgium already announced a case of the Omicron variant in a traveler who returned from northern Africa 2 weeks ago.